Do you need to add a custom domain into Zoho Projects? I've got you covered. Follow me. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Zoho Projects. What we want to do on the top right hand side is jump into the little gear icon. This is the setup, and on the left hand side you will have many options. Now there's tons of ways of actually configuring your Zoho Projects account, but you're going to go down here and look for portal configuration, and once you get in here you can see over here it says custom domain. Here you're going to add in your custom domain. Right, so let's go ahead and say custom domain, and what you're going to do now is you are going to add in the name or your host alias or your CNAME values. Okay, so you can see over here you're going to click on map domain, and what will essentially happen is it will shoot you through to wherever you had purchased your domain from, and you will get those values. You log in and you'll connect that domain directly here in Zoho Projects.